This new one-click AI agent is insane. You are wasting hours building AI workflows from scratch, copying code, debugging errors, trying to connect different tools, missing deadlines because setup takes forever. There is a platform that just changed everything. No code, no setup, just click and deploy. I'm Ava, and today I'm showing you Microsoft Foundry. This is not another complicated AI platform. This is the simplest way I have ever seen to build working AI agents. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works with 3 real examples. Before we dive in, let me show you what makes this different. Most AI agent platforms make you write code, or hire developers, or spend weeks learning complicated systems. Microsoft Foundry throws all that out. You get a visual builder, drag and drop, click and connect. Your agent is live in minutes. Here's what we're covering today. First, what Microsoft Foundry actually is. Then, how to get started for free. After that, 3 real agents you can build right now. A lead qualifier that scores your emails, an inventory manager that tracks stock and reorders automatically, and a multi-agent support system that handles customer questions. Finally, I'll show you how to deploy and monitor everything from one dashboard. Stay with me because the 3rd example is going to blow your mind. So what is Microsoft Foundry? It's a platform from Microsoft that lets you build AI agents without writing a single line of code. Think of it like this. You know how hard it used to be to build a website? You needed to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then platforms like Wix and Squarespace came along. Drag and drop, point and click, done. Microsoft Foundry is doing that same thing for AI agents. Here's what makes it powerful. You get access to over 11,000 AI models. That includes GPT-4 from OpenAI, Claude from Anthropic, Llama from Meta, Mistral, all in one place. You pick the model that fits your task. Some models are better for writing. Others are better for data analysis. You choose based on what you need. The platform also gives you 1,400 built-in connectors through Azure Logic apps. That means your agent can connect to Salesforce, HubSpot, Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, SAP, Dynamics. Whatever business tools you already use, no custom integration needed. Just click and connect. Let me show you how to get started. You need an Azure account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account. Microsoft gives you $200 in credits to use for 30 days. That's enough to build and test multiple agents without paying anything. Once you have your account, go to ai.azure.com. That's the Microsoft Foundry portal. You'll see a dashboard. On the left side, click on Agents, then click Create Agent. You'll see different options. Prompt-based agents are the simplest. These follow instructions you give them in plain English. Workflow agents let you build multi-step processes. Hosted agents are for when you want to deploy code you wrote in a framework like LangGraph or Crew AI. For most people starting out, prompt-based agents are perfect. You write what you want the agent to do. Give it access to tools or data. Test it in the playground, then deploy. The whole process takes maybe 10 minutes for a simple agent. Now let me show you 3 real examples. These are workflows companies are actually using right now. Example 1, customer service automation. Air India is using Microsoft Foundry to handle customer queries. They built a virtual assistant powered by Azure OpenAI. Customers can use natural language to resolve service issues, check flight status, track baggage, get rebooking help, all without waiting for a human agent. Here's what makes this powerful. The agent connects to their CRM system. It pulls up customer information in real time, flight history, loyalty status, past issues. Then it provides personalized responses based on that data. It can even handle document scanning for verification. Example 2, contract management workflow. Capgemini built Contract GPT using Microsoft Foundry workflows. It helps legal teams and business analysts create contracts, analyze existing contracts, negotiate terms, all with AI assistance. The workflow uses 3 specialized agents working together. The first agent does research on contract terms and market standards. The second agent handles strategy and positioning. The third agent manages the technical details and compliance requirements. Each agent has a specific role. They pass information between each other. The workflow coordinates everything. What used to take lawyers days now takes hours. And here's the key part. Capgemini built this using the visual workflow builder in Foundry. No heavy coding, just drag and drop. Connect the agents. Define how they work together. This is a perfect example of multi-agent orchestration in action. When I first started using these kinds of tools, I was overwhelmed. There were so many options, so many ways to mess things up. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom. 1,800 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Example 3. Healthcare Workflow Automation. Stanford Medicine is using Foundry to streamline tumor board meetings. These are complex meetings where doctors review cancer cases and decide on treatment plans. Normally, this involves reviewing tons of medical records, lab results, imaging studies, treatment histories. They built a healthcare agent orchestrator that works with Microsoft Copilot Studio. The workflow pulls relevant patient data from multiple sources, summarizes key findings, flags important details doctors need to see, organizes everything into a clear format for the meeting. Doctors can ask questions in natural language. The agent searches through all the medical data, provides answers with citations. This saves hours of prep time. And here's something most people don't realize. You can deploy these agents in multiple places. Deploy to Microsoft Teams and your whole company can use it. Deploy to your website as a chat widget. Deploy to Outlook as an email assistant. Same agent, multiple places, one deployment. Now, I want to be clear about something. This is not magic. Your agents are only as good as the instructions you give them. If you tell an agent to do something vague, you get vague results. You need to be specific. Give examples, test thoroughly. But the platform makes that process way easier than traditional coding. The Microsoft Foundry documentation is really good. Tutorials, video guides, sample code, active community on GitHub. When you get stuck, answers are easy to find. And because this is Microsoft, the platform is stable. So who is this for? Honestly, almost anyone. Small business owners who want to automate repetitive tasks. Marketing teams building lead qualifiers. Operations teams managing inventory. Customer support automating ticket responses. HR teams screening resumes. Sales teams tracking leads. Even individuals building personal productivity agents. The key is starting small. Pick one repetitive task, build an agent for it, test it. Once it works, build another. Before you know it, you have a suite of agents handling things for you. We are at the beginning of the agent era. The businesses that adopt this early will move faster and serve customers better. And you don't need a computer science degree. Microsoft Foundry is democratizing this technology. Anyone willing to learn can build powerful automation. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 1,800 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Here's what I want you to do after watching this. Go to ai.azure.com. Create that free Azure account if you don't have one. Spend 30 minutes exploring. Look at the templates. Try building something simple. The best way to learn is by doing. The world is moving toward AI automation fast. Microsoft Foundry just removed every excuse. No code required, no setup needed, no dev team necessary. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, drop a like. Subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what agent you want to build first. See you in the next one.